At SEMA 2024, one of the most jaw-dropping custom creations to make a splash was undoubtedly DS18's Polaris Slingshot, a three-wheeled machine transformed into an unstoppable mobile party featuring a mind-blowing $20,000 sound and lighting system. Renowned for its cutting-edge automotive audio technology, DS18 has pushed the envelope with this build, fusing high-performance sound with breathtaking visual effects. This is no longer just a slingshot, it's an experience that captivates every sense and transforms the road into a dynamic audio-visual performance. The Polaris Slingshot is already a head-turner in its stock form, with its open cockpit and aggressive, futuristic lines. However, DS18 has completely reimagined the Slingshot, taking its already striking design and supercharging it with elements that make it not just a vehicle, but a living spectacle. This isn't just about appearance, it's about delivering a multisensory experience that stops traffic and makes an impact, whether it's parked or in motion. When it comes to audio, DS18 didn't hold back. The centerpiece of this build is the insane $20,000 audio system, which is packed with top-of-the-line gear. The system includes massive custom subwoofers that deliver earth-shaking bass and high-output speakers that provide crystal-clear mids and highs. The sound is powerful enough to turn the Slingshot into a mobile concert venue, with a perfect balance of clarity and power that fills the air and the streets. The audio setup is designed not only for incredible volume but also for pristine quality, ensuring that every note, beat, and bass drop is as sharp as it is loud. Whether cruising through city streets or parked at a car show, this custom Slingshot is as much about the audio experience as it is about the visual spectacle. But it's not just about the sound, the visual elements of this build are equally mind-blowing. To complement the massive audio system, DS18 has equipped the Slingshot with a state-of-the-art RGB LED lighting setup. The vehicle is wrapped in LEDs that can change colors and patterns in sync with the music, creating a mesmerizing light show that adapts to the energy of the moment. The entire vehicle lights up and pulses with the rhythm of the music, creating a visual spectacle that's impossible to ignore. The LED strips that highlight the undercarriage, wheels, and bodywork add a layer of depth to the design, while the programmable lighting allows the driver to create a completely customizable experience. Whether it's a subtle glow or a flashing dance of colors, the lighting responds to the beat, transforming the Slingshot into a moving work of art. While DS18 Slingshot is primarily a showcase of sound and lighting, the Polaris Slingshot itself is still a performance-oriented vehicle. Powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, it delivers 173 horsepower, ensuring it retains the fun, sporty handling the Slingshot is known for. The lightweight design and nimble steering make it an exhilarating ride, especially when combined with the concert-level sound system that turns every drive into a music-filled adventure. To support the added weight of the sound and lighting components, DS18 has made modifications to the suspension and handling, ensuring the vehicle remains stable, responsive, and fun to drive. This balance of form and function is what truly sets this build apart. It's a car that performs as well as it shows off. The level of customization and attention to detail on this build is nothing short of extraordinary. The audio enclosures are expertly integrated into the body of the Slingshot, seamlessly blending with its design while housing the powerful speakers and subwoofers. The craftsmanship of these enclosures is a work of art, with intricate designs that reflect DS18's dedication to both aesthetics and performance. Even the seats have been customized to match the high-tech, futuristic vibe of the build, with upholstery that complements the vehicle's sleek look. The dashboard and controls have also been updated, with a custom touchscreen interface allowing the driver to easily control both the audio and lighting systems with a simple tap. The DS18 Slingshot is undoubtedly one of the most insane builds at SEMA 2024, earning its place among the top custom vehicles at the show. With its outrageous sound system, stunning LED light show, and meticulously crafted design, this Slingshot demands attention from anyone who crosses its path. It's a vehicle that not only looks good, but also delivers an unforgettable experience every time it hits the road. For those who appreciate the intersection of cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and over-the-top customization, the DS18 Slingshot is a must-see. It embodies the spirit of SEMA, pushing the limits of what's possible with creative engineering and bold design. It's not just a car, it's a celebration of sound, light, and the art of customization. The DS18 Slingshot is more than just a build, it's a mobile party, and it's here to steal the spotlight wherever it goes. Whether you're a fan of audio systems, car culture, or simply love seeing the most extreme builds, this Slingshot is a shining example of where innovation and passion collide.